Do you need to make quick cash but you only have half an hour to spend? In this video, I'm going to give you 7 interesting and practical ways to make money in just half an hour. These methods are flexible and fun and can easily fit into your busy schedule. The first one in our list is tutoring or teaching online. Sharing your knowledge online can be both rewarding and profitable for you. If you have expertise in a particular subject, teaching online can be a great way to make some extra income. You can join platforms such as Wizent.com or Check.com and create a detailed profile highlighting your expertise and teaching experience. In these platforms, you can offer 30-minute tutoring sessions or provide quick homework help via video calls. The potentials for earning for half an hour could be from $10 to $30, and you can earn more for 1 hour or more. The reason why this is interesting because you are helping students to achieve their academic goals, and also it's really easy to work from your home and have your own schedule. Now let's move to the next one, which is freelance gigs on TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who are needing help with everyday tasks to freelancers who can do their job for them. Joining this platform is quite easy. You need just to sign up and complete your profile and then verify your identity and then list your skills and availability. You can do different activities like doing shopping, just some light cleaning, and running the errand. You can earn $20 to $50 per task, and you can do quick tasks such as delivery or simple repairs that can earn you this amount in only half an hour. The variety of tasks keeps the work engaging and interesting, and plus you can explore the local area and meet new people in your neighborhood and earn some money with that. If you love animals, dog walking or pet sitting could be a lucrative and interesting and fun way for you to make some money. You can go to platforms such as rover.com or wagwalking.com and create a profile and highlight your experience with pets and any relevant certifications. So there are a variety of tasks you can do, like taking the dogs for a walk or checking on pets and feed and provide companionship. Typically, a single 30-minute dog walking can earn you between $15 to $30. The reason it could be fun is that spending time with animals and pets could be stress relieving and enjoyable. And also you get to be active and outdoor while earning money. Now let's move to the next one, which is providing virtual assistants. There are many small businesses that are looking for people who can do some virtual assistance for them, such as data entry, email management, and social media posting. If you join the famous freelancing gigs such as Fiverr and Upwork.com, you can create a profile showcasing your skills in administrative tasks, and then complete simple tasks such as organizing emails, managing social media accounts, or performing data entry. Many tasks in these platforms can be completed in just 30 minutes, and you can be earning from $10 to $50 for that. This method of work is really flexible and you can do it from anywhere you are. And also you can choose tasks that match your skills and work with a variety of clients. Another way you can make money in just half an hour is to join gig economy apps such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart. The joining is easy. You can sign up on Uber Eats, Instacart, and complete any necessary background checks and onboarding processes. And then you choose delivery requests that are close to you to maximize efficiency. Completing short deliveries in half an hour can earn you typically from $10 to $25. It is a great way to have immediate earnings and flexibility. And also you can explore your local area and meet new people. In the next method, I'm going to show you how to make money by selling items online. Selling items you no longer use is a great way to make some extra cash. This is especially great when you want to declutter your space and make some money with that. You can use great platforms such as Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist.org, or eBay.com for that. So what you do is that you take photos of the items you no longer use, write clear descriptions, and set competitive prices. And then when the customers come, you respond to the buyers promptly and arrange for pickup or shipping. Depending on what you're selling, you can be earning from $10 to $100 per item. It's a satisfying way to see that the item that you no longer use are used by others, and also it's a quick decluttering of your space while earning money. The last one in our list is renting out your equipment or a space. If you have tools, equipment, or parking space, you can rent them out for quick cash. You can list your items on fatllama.com, or you can rent out your parking space on a platform called spacer.com, and then you communicate with the renters and arrange for item pickup or drop-off, and you can keep your listings updated and respond to rental inquiries promptly. You could be earning from $10 to $50 per rental depending on the item or space. This is a great passive income with minimal effort. By leveraging these platforms and using quick and straightforward tasks, you can be earning a good amount of money in only half an hour. Whether it's sharing your knowledge, helping with everyday tasks, or renting out your space, there is a variety of ways to boost your income in only 30 minutes. Thank you for watching up to here, and I hope you really enjoyed, and please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.